Welcome to DietIQAI, your all-in-one AI-powered platform for creating diet plans, healthy recipes, marketing content, and more. Once you log in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you can see an overview of your account activities, including the total number of content pieces, diet plans, recipes, prompts, video scripts, marketing materials, and eBooks you've created. At the bottom, the Recent Content section displays your most recently generated items for quick access. On the left sidebar, you'll find all the main menus of DietIQAI: Diet Plan Creator, Recipe Generator, Prompt Generator, Content History, API Keys. Now, let's try creating a diet plan. Click on Diet Plan Creator. Here, you can choose the type of diet, from weight loss, muscle gain, and diabetic friendly, to paleo and many more. It's super easy. Just select your preferred diet type. Next, choose the duration of your plan: daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also add optional details like calorie targets or specific goals. Once you're done, click Generate Diet Plan. In just a few seconds, DietIQAI will create a customized plan based on your preferences. You can preview the result or view it as raw text. Below, you'll see your complete AI-generated diet plan. Fast, detailed, and professional. You can save it to your content history or export it anytime as a PDF or docx file. Next, let's check out the Recipe Generator. Click on Recipe Generator. Here, you can create diet-friendly recipes in seconds with just a few simple inputs. Start by naming your recipe. Then select your cuisine type: Indian, Mediterranean, Asian, American, Mexican, or Italian. Let's choose American for this example. Next, pick your dietary type, such as vegan, vegetarian, or keto. You can also adjust the number of servings using the arrows below. In the Additional Requirements box, add any extra notes or preferences. Once ready, click Generate Recipe, and in moments, you'll have a complete, high-quality recipe ready to use. You can save it, export it, or download it instantly in PDF or docx format. Now, let's explore the Prompt Generator. Click Prompt Generator. This feature helps you create powerful prompts with ease. You can choose from ready-made templates like meal plan ideas, workout plans, social media posts, motivational scripts, recipe ideas. For example, let's pick motivational script. In the Customize Prompt section, simply replace the placeholders with your own details. Then click Generate Prompt. Within seconds, your prompt is ready to use. Click Copy to use it directly in your favorite AI tool. Next, the Content History menu. Here, you can view all the content you've ever created. You can also export or download them anytime as PDF or docx files. Lastly, let's check the API Keys section. By default, you don't need to set up your own API key. DietIQAI works unlimited right out of the box. However, if you prefer to use your own API keys, you can easily configure them here. Just select your preferred AI provider, paste in your key, and you'll see it appear in your personal API list on the side. Creating professional, niche-specific diet and health content has never been this easy or fast. With DietIQAI, you can generate everything, from personalized diet plans to high-quality recipes, marketing content, and more, all powered by smart AI. Ready to supercharge your diet business or content creation? Get DietIQAI today and start creating high-converting diet plans and health content in minutes. No manual writing needed. Get instant access to DietIQAI now.